Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're going to do our mid-month check-in on March 2025's Year of the Make-Along. So, it has been a little hectic here at Chez Penny. As predicted, my spring is just literally bouncing from one thing to the next, to the next, to the next, and there's just like no relief in sight. So, literally my schedule is now booked out to like the second week of May. I have things on my calendar out months in advance. It is bananas. So I am very, very glad I set up this year as doing make-alongs, and especially March being such an easy, self-paced kind of thing. So my write-up for what the month of March was all about: projects that you have been sitting on. Along the same lines with our spring cleaning, where we worked on all of our FOs in the month of February, we will focus on at least one project that we have kitted up and had in mind or bought and been afraid to start. We all have something like this in our craft room or in some part taking up space in our rooms. Let's break it out and have fun with it. So, at the beginning of the month, I chose two projects to really focus on for the purpose of the make-along. The first project that I'm focusing on is a Ruana poncho wrap made out of Lion Brand Heartland. This is the color Royal Isle, I believe. Isle Royale. And I had an inspiration poncho of an extra large triple granny Ruana that I was wanting to emulate, except I wanted to do a different square. So I am using the tutorial from Fiber Spider for the Glorious Granny. Glenda also has a tutorial for the same stitch, and I will leave both of those in the description box down below. But I am almost done with my first granny square here. So my granny squares need to be between 22 and 25 inches. I'm actually kind of aiming as I manipulate the square to have it go from my neck to my wrist bone. So as you can see on the first square, I'm almost there. I'm very, very close. I'm almost there, but not quite. So I am on my third skein of yarn, and I've used about 40% of this skein. So this will definitely be a yarn eater. I will use a substantial amount of this yarn, and that's perfectly fine by me. I really love it. This is one of the projects I originally bought this yarn for. A lot of people have asked about like why I had one huge cube of basically just this. And this is why I had this project in mind, as well as a cardigan project in mind. So I still have enough here. Once I take a couple more balls down to finish this, I will have enough to still make a cardigan sweater out of it. But that is one of the things that I decided to work on. The other thing I pulled is a pair of crocodile slippers, crocodile stitch slippers. These are the Crocodile Stitch adult booties designed by this lady right here. And this was a kit. Here's the picture of the booties finished. This is a kit that I got from either Craftsy. I think this was Craftsy because I already had this printed out and in a kit. So this would have been when Blueprint bought Craftsy many, 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 many years ago. So this has been in my stash. I would have bought this at least 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago as a kit. And this is using the colorway Fern in Lion Brand's Vanna's Choice. And right now I have the sole of my first slipper done. So right now these are my like getting ready for bed, going to sleep project. Which is why this is as far as I've gotten. This month, when I head to bed, I am generally out within half an hour. I have been just mentally and physically beat by the end of the day. So, like I said, it's been very busy this month. So that's as far as I have gotten on my crocodile slipper. So I am hoping by the end of the month, I will at least have one crocodile stitch slipper done. And I would like to have at least 2 of the squares for my poncho done. Now, as part of this make along this month, these aren't projects we're trying to immediately finish or finish within the course of the month. These are just projects that we're wanting to get out of the closet, into our hands, and getting started. So I have now shared what I have been working on. I would like to do a quick share of what everybody else has been working on. So I am very excited for you guys. There's still plenty of time for all of you guys to join in with us, to play along. There's a place in the Ravelry group, link in the description box down below, as well as the Facebook group, link in the description box down below. For the Facebook group, you do have to answer all of the questions. Number one, I want to make sure that you are consenting to our rules. Number two, I want to make sure that you are not a robot. So please answer the questions if you're asking to join the Facebook group. If for some reason your request has been declined, please make sure that you are answering the questions. So I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye, guys.